Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to group elements on Canva. So let's look at this design. We have three elements that are separated from each other and that can be moved around on their own. But what if we want to move this entire design to a blank canvas? We would have to go and copy each element one by one, and then we would have to resize it and move it around to make it look the same as the original. Instead of doing this, what we can do is we can group the three elements together. Use your mouse and drag it across so the three elements are covered. Click on Group. And now, the three elements have been grouped into one. Now we can copy and paste it to the blank canvas as one image. If we want to ungroup these elements, we go to the top right-hand side button, Ungroup, and then we would have to click on the dotted line. Now the elements are free to be moved around and they are separated from each other once again. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful.